Now, this illustration deals with equipment grounding in according with the field requirements. These requirements are outlined in 314.16, B as in boy, 5. Now, keep in mind, we're just counting the conductors there. We will show how the count is illustrated in the procedure used, as we go through additional figures. But notice here, you have three splash conductors. So you'd have 2, 4, and the equipment ground, since they are 4 or less, you only have 2, then that would be your count. And then notice you would have the bonding jumper that bonds the metal box to the equipment ground. We do not have cable clamps. We just have, say, EMT fittings. And they don't count toward the field. Information found in 314.16, B as in boy 5, is this figure 12-7A is illustrating.